Who you got there? Is that Shamu? Is that your Shamu bowl? Can you show me how you make Shamu float in the water? Wow. Keep the water inside the sink, please. Jasper's new favoriteest pastime in the world, playing in the water. What's another word for water, Jasper? Agua? Sí, agua, mamá. Agua, water. Who's out in our backyard right now, Jasper? Are those the guys? Are those the guys back there? Jasper, are you good or are you really good? Are you real good, real good? Are you not going to answer any of my questions today? That's okay, because you're still the cutest little boy that ever was. Huh, cutest little boy that ever was. Hi, handsome. Whoa, whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? Real good. Are you all finished? Cough, 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 cough. Are you okay? Pat, 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 pat. Excuse me, don't drink the water, please.
Mom.
That is Mommy. Hi. Hi, Monchi-Chi. Hi, Monchi-Chi. Say hi. And that's the pterodactyl scream. And that's the pterodactyl scream some more. Pterodactyl, pterodactyl. Are you all finished?
No.
Are you all finished?